Every kitchen around the world relies on a secret ingredient hidden in plain sight. It is so essential that without it, modern cooking would be unrecognizable. Yet, it is often underestimated and taken for granted. This ingredient is salt. It not only changed cooking forever, but it also revolutionized civilization itself. Salt is more than just a seasoning. It is a powerful preservative that allowed our ancestors to store food for months, even years. This capability was a game changer. It meant people could travel, trade, and settle in new territories without the constant fear of spoiling food. Salt preserved fish, meat, and vegetables, transforming them into long-lasting staples. Cooking with salt does more than enhance flavor. It unlocks the natural flavors hidden within food. When you sprinkle salt on something, it does not just sit on the surface. Salt dissolves and seeps into the food, breaking down cell walls and releasing aromatic compounds. This process not only enhances taste but creates new, complex flavors. Salt is essential for our health too. It is an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. Without it, muscles and nerves could not function properly. Salt is one of the oldest commodities traded by humans. Ancient civilizations thrived around salt deposits. The Roman army was even paid in salt, coining the term salary. This ingredient has cultural significance as well. Salt has been used in religious rituals and ceremonies for millennia. It symbolizes purity and hospitality. Even today, sharing a meal with salt is seen as a gesture of trust and friendship in many cultures. But not all salt is created equal. There are two primary types, sea salt and rock salt. Sea salt forms through the evaporation of seawater. It retains trace minerals like magnesium and calcium, which can enhance flavor. Rock salt, or halite, is mined from ancient salt deposits. It is often processed to remove impurities, yielding the table salt most are familiar with. The size of the salt grains also matters. Fine salt dissolves quickly and is ideal for baking. Coarse salt adds a satisfying crunch when sprinkled on dishes like pretzels or roasted vegetables. Flaky sea salt with its delicate texture is perfect for finishing dishes. A pinch of salt can make or break a dish. It balances sweetness in desserts, it heightens umami in savory meals, and it can even temper bitterness in certain foods. Learning to season with salt is one of the most crucial skills in cooking. Salt's impact extends beyond the kitchen. It has been a symbol of economic power. Wars have been fought over it. Entire cities have risen and fallen due to its trade. Salt routes connected distant lands, fostering cultural exchanges that shaped the world as we know it. Even in the culinary world, salt has sparked innovation. Chefs use techniques like salt crust baking to encase food in a thick layer of salt, creating a mini oven effect. This method imparts intense flavor and ensures even cooking. Brining, another salt-based method, transforms meat by soaking it in a salt solution. This alters the protein structures, increasing moisture retention. The result is incredibly juicy and tender meat. One of the oldest culinary techniques using salt is curing. It involves using salt to draw moisture out of food. With moisture gone, bacteria find it difficult to grow. This technique has given us prosciutto, gravlax, and preserved lemons, foods renowned for their complex flavors and extended shelf life. Salt even plays a role in baking. It strengthens gluten, providing structure to bread and pastries. Without it, the dough is weak. The flavor is flat. Salt also regulates yeast activity in fermentation, ensuring consistent results in baking. In recent years, artisanal salts have gained popularity. These salts, like Himalayan pink salt or Malden sea salt, offer unique textures and flavors. They allow chefs and home cooks to explore new dimensions in their dishes. They remind us that even the most basic ingredients can be elevated. The versatility of salt is unmatched. It is the cornerstone of cooking. Its impact is timeless, transcending cultures and centuries. Understanding salt is fundamental to mastering the art of cooking. Next time you reach for that simple shaker, remember the vast history and influence of what you hold. Salt truly is the ingredient that changed cooking